Hey, Chef Andre here. Today we're gonna make some paleo ice cream. It's sugar-free, dairy-free. I call it my super vanilla chocolate chunk ice cream. It's incredible. You're not even gonna believe it. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe.
So we've got a cup of bochasweet. Now I love this stuff. It's made from an extract of kombucha, completely organic, dissolves completely for the ice cream and other great dishes. Bakes well and has no aftertaste like some of the other artificial sweeteners out there. So we have a cup of that, and then we're going to add a quarter teaspoon of xanthan gum. This stabilizes the ice cream, prevents ice crystals from forming, and use the organic kind. It's a probiotic for your gut. This is a wonderful product and really should be a staple in any paleo kitchen. We're going to incorporate that with a dry whisk. This prevents any kind of lumping or anything like that when you pour the liquids in. We're going to add a pinch of salt. This lowers the freezing point a hair and also adds some flavor to it. Now we've got a cup of unsweetened cashew milk. It's low calorie, adds a great creaminess to the recipe. Now I've tried almond milk and other ones like that, and it does not come out the same. You really got to use the cashew milk if you can. And we're going to use a can of full-fat coconut milk. I like that Thai organic variety. Don't use the light kind or any with any added sugars in it. And then whisk it together real nice. And we're going to add about a tablespoon of organic vanilla extract. And when that's all incorporated, we're going to put that into our pre-chilled ice cream machine. I like to turn it on about 10 minutes before I start everything, and that way everything is really nice and cool. It should take about an hour. While that ice cream is churning in your ice cream machine, we're going to get about 4 ounces of chocolate chips. Use the stevia sweetened variety so we don't add any cane sugar or artificial sweeteners to it. And we're going to add a tablespoon of coconut oil to it. We're going to put it in the microwave or on a double boiler, melt it, make sure it's all incorporated there, and then we're going to put it on a pan lined with parchment paper. Make sure it's not wax paper, and spread it evenly, and then that's going to go in the freezer. It should be in the freezer for about 20 or 30 minutes. Usually about when the ice cream's done, it should be done too. There we go, that's what it looks like after 30 minutes in the freezer. And now our ice cream is also ready to be put into a container and finish the freezing process. So work with this quickly, put it on your cutting board, give a quick chop to it. You can make it smaller, larger, however you like it, but do it quickly because it melts so quickly that even just the touching to the knife, you can see there, it melts it. This chocolate, when it gets into your mouth though, will melt instantly, and it's got a great mouth feel. It won't feel frozen or grainy or anything like that. And you can see how creamy that ice cream is. After about 4 or 5 hours in the freezer, it'll really set up nice. You got those chocolate chunks in there. This is such a delicious recipe. This will really wow your guests, your family. It's such a wonderful treat. And if you even want to make it nicer, I have found this maple syrup that has a vanilla bean inside of it. And I drizzle a little bit on top, and this is incredible. It's such a fine touch. Hey, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and let's make skinny tasty.